Hello. Look at the time. Can you see it? 7:10. And we gotta go. Yes? I'm bringing my bag does not mean you can put my stuff inside the bag. Are you sure? Okay. Anyways, look. Jennifer's wearing my clothes. I'm just chilling around. That was on the floor before. Look, she's wearing what I was wearing yesterday. Oh my god. Fit. The thing this is actually the first day we've actually been outside and the sun is actually not eating us alive. Which is a good sign already today. I'm gonna tell you guys we're going to the Waterfall something. I don't know where it is or what it's called. Let's hope is splashing and not splashing. I don't know. Interesting to vlog then. She's a bit tired, lacking sleep. And today, we actually told me and Jennifer to stay awake watching that movie. It was 3 a.m. We were still watching the movie. It was too good. It was too, like, we didn't even finish it, but like, already George Clooney strapped her bomb. I'm tired. Yeah, we got off the car into a bus. Like 67,000 people, and the bus isn't moving. Just look. None of this was like this. Tired already. I don't even know how far this journey is, but I feel like it's gonna be far. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be far. Further than that other dinner crank yesterday. Hey, with no drink, no survivors. All I have is a lollipop. Hello. Goodbye.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's 10 o'clock. I'm still driving.
A few inches later.
Update, guys. It is. Can you see that? It is 10:13. And we're nowhere near where we're supposed to be. We're over here at pit stop for 20 minutes on the bus. We're actually in the rubble. I don't know where we are. But we've been on this bus for too long. It's starting to get annoying. If I go to this place and the place is just giving, Elsa, it's time to go home.
1 hour later.
We've gone off the bus, but we have not gotten to the destination. We are trapped. But it's actually not that hot, so it's okay. Yeah. It's not that hot. Yeah. It's not as hot as it was yesterday. You know what? Yeah. Want to say hi? Hi, Mom. Nah, not this again. Oh my god. Over here is clearly not valuing his life because, hey, one wrong move and he's finished, you know? One wrong move and he's finished. Yeah, group man is going. Oh, we're lost again. Have you seen this? In the past of wow. Our tour guide. Maybe that's why you don't see in the back. And you see in the front. Mr. Tour Guide has. What's this? Oh, God, there's water on the ground. Well, we were actually leading ourselves for like a good 5 minutes because Mr. Tour Guide decided to use the slippery. Really? Really? Slippery. Slipper. Something? I think it's broken. Look. River. Oh my god. Oh, isn't it? A bit creaky. A little bit freaky. This ground is not made for the weak. Lordy Lord. The lemonade. Say hello. Oh, that's good for you. It's how the trip. How's it going?
Guys, when me and Jennifer booked this, we thought it was just going to be a boat trip into a waterfall. Then they put us on a bus. The bus was not specifically asked. I specifically looked for something that doesn't have a height. And now we're hiking. You know what shoes I'm wearing? How do I fit the camera? Huh? How do I fit the camera? Oh? This button?
How about you press
Which one?
nothing?
Oh, you said triple, yeah.
How about you press nothing? Maybe just give it my camera. Like,
wait, okay.
Before it says error.
These are the shoes that I'm wearing because I didn't know we had to hike. Yeah, bye guys.
At the end of the day, Princess don't know that's not smart. Every day she's always wearing the incorrect shoe. What? Princess don't know what? Yeah, Princess is actually wearing long dresses, actually cuffing your ankle with slippers. To go and see Waterfall? No.
Even when we're on the bus, we went from one bus to another bus. We were on that bus for hours. We actually slept. We woke up, slept. Hours. Plural. And then we started walking. I got off the bus, started walking. I'm thinking, it's given, as soon as we get off the bus, water. We're in the middle. This is Jungle Book. So,
Oh. Where's my camera not turning? Oh. Okay, this is our refill. No, look at water. Not water, something else. Paddle.
I don't think it's bad.
Our tour guide is 0 stars. Even Oh, what's my hot? Anyways, our tour guide is 0 stars. Even the woman was shouting at him in Arabic saying 0 stars. Like, yes. We were like, we agree 100%, but don't know what you're talking about. What's going on? Wow, look at the waterfall. Can you believe that? That's at the waterfall, up close. Can you hear it? Oh my goodness. Are you seeing that? Wow, all people are swimming. It's so pretty. Little stars. Oh my, look at Jennifer's head. Oh my god. We went under the waterfall. I'm soaking wet. Soaking wet. It was actually, it was a great experience, Jennifer.
I don't want to endorse it.
Oh yeah, lashes, but lashes be on, so it doesn't matter. Once again, Princess decided to use her mouth and not her brain. This girl ordered chicken. This girl ordered a chicken. Yeah? Chicken is what?
Later that same evening.
I finally escaped that mountain. God forbid. I'm so sorry. Because that was not what we
that was the worst thing we ever done. By far. It's worse than the desert, worse than the camels, worse than everything.
It was so bad. Like, For what? For no reason. Like what? Came all the way to the walked. Do you know how many stairs we walked? Oh, okay, I probably walked the whole of UK and back. You know, because God forbid. Like what? Yeah, never again. Sorry.
6 hours later.
Yes, I was sleeping. Oh really? Really? Oh my god. Anyways, we've gone back to McDonald's. Yeah. McDonald's. Get us a terrace.
Yeah, it's the same one we were at yesterday.
I know, but I didn't look up. What was that? Just gonna say, out of all the food we've had, I actually haven't had any food. McDonald's is top tier. I'm so sorry. Everything else, booty crack. Anyways, look. You got. Oh, what's going on? That's what's happening. We got 2 sundaes this time. This burger is actually very nice. Jennifer got whatever that is, and Princess got fish. One thing I despise about this place is that these taxi men be picking people up and I don't know where they're going. Sorry. Actually, oh, do you go to it? Yeah, jump inside. And they don't know where to go. Be asking me direction. Do I live here? No, I don't. Yeah, you don't know.
Like, these people can go.
Oh.
And they will just remain here.
Oh. Swap for the camera.
Even when they're like crossing the road, they'll see a car come and not speak. Just walk.
Yeah, we're flying out tomorrow. Already. It's dark.